Hi, Richard. Thank you for joining me again today for another episode of Ask Richard. We have a question that came in on the Quantum Touch Facebook page from Michael, and he would like to know if age can affect how well you can do quantum touch.
This is another really good question. I think my first time of looking at this seriously, I was teaching a workshop, and there was a young man who was an Olympic athlete in the class. And there was a great grandma, and she's very feeble, barely walk around. She's in her 90s, and she was working on a severe knee injury he was dealing with. Now, she has loved for so long. She has such a wealth of adoration in her soul and her being. It's not about muscular, active, powerful presence. It's about love presence and giving and holding the energy and doing the breathing and the body awareness. She did a fine job on him. And I'm watching an Olympic athlete being healed by a 90-year-old woman, or actually in her 90s. I'm thinking, all right, well, that was another false equivalency. There's this idea of materialism that everything has to make a certain kind of logical sense. And the idea that somebody very old and feeble can help a young strapping person doesn't make the logic. But on an energetic level, you don't have to, you don't have to be, you could be in a wheelchair and do incredible heart energy sessions without using your hands. We don't know the limits because we are these spiritual beings, and we're much more than we think. We're infinitely more than we've been taught to believe.
Amazing. That's a great point about how grandmothers are rich in that love energy. Beautiful. Thank you, Richard. And thank you to Michael for your question on the Quantum Touch Facebook page.